fish, salmon fish, green vegetables, kamalunggay, alugbati, and talbos kamote. So, I'm going to make lato salad, but first to boil the water and to boil the lato. Kamatis, sibuyas, luya, ginger, orange,